Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel English with Aisha. Topic that we are going to discuss today is language skills. Language skills are also known as skills of language learning. First of all, we look at the definition of language skill. Language skills are capabilities that allow an individual to comprehend and produce spoken language for proper and effective interpersonal communication. These language learning skills are four in number, which are speaking skill, listening skill, reading skill, and writing. Now we look at the order of these language skills. These language skills are ordered as LSRW. First language skill that we'll learn is listening skill. Second language skill that we'll learn is speaking skill. Third language skill is reading skill, and last one is writing skill. So according to this order, these language skills are known as LSRW skills. L for listening, S for speaking, R for reading, and W for writing. So according to the order of these language skills, these are known as LSRW skills. Now we discuss them one by one in detail. First one is listening skill. Listening skill is the first language skill we require in our native language. It is known as receptive skill or a passive skill because in this skill we receive something. We receive the sound of speaker. So in this scale, our role is passive. According to our role, this scale is known as passive scale. This is a natural language scale because listening language learning scale is a scale in which we learn language naturally. We doesn't need any practice to listen something. So it requires our ears and brains to comprehend language as it is being spoken to us. Second language learning skill is speaking skill. Speaking is the second language skill we require in our native language. It is known as productive skill or an active skill because while speaking we plays an active role. So this skill is known as active skill and we produce something like we produce sounds while speaking. We produce words with sounds and we produce sentences with the collection of different words and we make words with different sounds by producing different sounds through our vocal track. So according to this skill is known as productive skill. It is a natural language skill because as listening we learn it naturally. We doesn't need any practice to speak. We speak naturally. So this language skill is also known as natural language skill. It requires our vocal tract and brain to produce language through sounds. Reading is the third language skill we may acquire in our native language. As with listening, it is a receptive or passive skill. It is an artificial language skill because we need to practice how to read. So, reading skill is an artificial language skill. It requires our eyes and our brains to comprehend the written equipment of spoken language. Writing is the fourth language skill we may acquire in our native language. As with speaking, it is a productive or active skill because as in speaking, we plays an active role. In speaking, we produce sounds. Same as speaking, we produce written symbols while writing. So we plays an active role in writing skill and we produce written symbols or written alphabets, or you can say written words. We produce something. So this skill is known as productive skill. It is an artificial language skill as reading skill is because in this skill we have to learn how to write. So, writing skill is also known as artificial language skill. It requires our hands and brains to produce the written symbols that represent our spoken language. There are some key points which show some similarities or some differences about the about these four language skills. First one is natural language skills. Listening skill and speaking skill are known as natural language skills because these two skills are learned naturally. So these two skills are known as natural language skills. Second point is artificial language skills. Reading and writing skills are artificial language skills because we have to practice it, we have to learn how to read and write. So these two skills, reading skill and writing skill, are known as artificial language skills. Next point is receptive skills. Listening skill and reading skill are two receptive skills because in these skills we receive something. And if we look at the productive skills, speaking skill and writing skills are productive skills because in these two skills we produce something. In speaking skill we produce sounds, and in written skill we produce written symbols. Next point is active skills. Speaking skill and writing skill are two active skills because in these two skills we plays an active role. And the next point is passive skills. Listening skill and reading skills are two passive skills because in these two skills our role is passive. So these two skills are known as passive skills. That's all about my side. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment below and tell me what you want in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.